Existential Nihilism is the belief that life has no intrinsic meaning or value. With respect to the universe, existential nihilism suggests that a single human or even the entire human species is insignificant, without purpose, and is unlikely to change in the totality of existence. It's one of the most popular ones and is the first version of nihilism I discovered. It's also a very popular trope in cinema today and other media. The end of the world takes the idea and runs with it.
It's strange. A lot of the time you don't register the important moments in your life as they happen. You only see that they were important when you look back.
It follows the dark and confusing lives of the 17-year-old misfit teens runaways, James and Alyssa, who embark on a road trip. The plot is chaotic, it's a constant search for meaning, and when we think Alyssa or James are about to get something, anything resembling that, meaning happiness. Here, James, in an attempt to rescue Alyssa, kills a man that was trying to have his way with her. They flee is sane, but now they're wanted criminals. We are reminded that life has very different plans. You're forced to recognize that you are somewhat insignificant and or powerless in the large scale of things.